Listen up, Buttercup. Finishing another rough end. What's up, birdies? Y'all must have come over here to see me do some plumbing. Yeah? Y'all trying to learn? Hey, y'all need some work.
Got 2 shifts in the morning. Ain't no use to complain. You can't roll with the big dog if you can't take a little pain. Gotta keep it working. A Gulf Coast beach in the summer, cruise ship trip in the spring, 50-yard line in October, credit card bills gonna sting. Gotta keep it working. Working for a good time, yeah. You gotta work hard, play hard, pushing that overtime for the good life. You gotta pay the bills, you gotta pay the price. VIP, well that don't come cheap. If you want the front row at the big show, everybody knows you gotta work hard.
So the trim out, one of my favorite parts, because I get to sit down. But the weird thing is, it seems like every time I get a trim out, they give it to the less experienced guys. Which is kind of awesome for them, but kind of sucks for me. It's a baby computer call their father. Dada. Gonna have some fun tonight, baby. Going bowling with the brother. Let's do it. Haven't bowled in 2 years since I broke my shoulder and wrecked my motorcycle. So let's see how your boy does it. I bowled a ball in 2 years. Oh, that's a strike, buddy.
Feeling hard as a rock.
Hard as a rock, God. Oh my God.
Chet, you know why? I haven't been bowling in a long time, you can tell. Just one moment. Work hard, play hard, plumber gonna capture it.
Good game, Justin. What you getting here? 300. You say 300? 300. First 300 is going to be on this cellular phone device.
Good video. I got a bow. Gotta let a brother know. I'm gonna hit these pins with this bow.
I'm not staying on no damn chair. Mom taught me much better than that. Come back. Yeah! Dog, you can't give a shout out and fucked it up.
I mean, that was a great shot.
It was mad decent is what they said.
That should have went in. I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do. Check this out, guys.
It's my ex-girlfriend.
Oh my goodness.
My cousin's proud in Jamaica. These are fruits from my labor. I don't owe no more favors. This is hard work and patience. That's the formula for greatness. It ain't no fun.
She liked your ball?
Play the song when they hate it. Remind yourself.
That's a true motherfucker, a righteous motherfucker, talking no games in this motherfucker.
Better just trust. You'll never know if you stop.
That's the line.
Wake up, give all you got.
Look, and that's part of Brooklyn.
So don't give up.
That's not what we wanted. That's what we got.
If I miss both these pins, I'm gonna cry like a bitch.
Tell me what you really know about having nothing left. And your dad is out cause he can pay the debt. And your mama paying, can't take a step. No money left, so every day she's stressed. But you
Let me see them tears, John.
Still doesn't happen, so you feel the
There they are.
Every song I thought gets the wrong, so I learned the hard way. Never expect, cause dreams don't pay the bills. And this music don't make mama heal. And I got a few followers now.
Goosey Goosey gets the worm.
This right here is Jacob Mike.
Oh, Jacob Mike.
Sexy motherfucker.
Ain't no leg room, or the team share like one room. And we get to the venue and there's not even like 30 fans. And no green room, no label advance, just passionate plans. We just did it cause we can, and you can. $100 a show, so 100% I go. I'm 1,000%
New York.
I know. So don't give up, hey. It gets better, just trust. You'll never know if you stop. So every day you wake up, give all you got, cause we don't know when to stop. So don't give up.
He got him. He got that dirty mouth. He got that dirty mouth. That's better than a strike.
Was it dirty?
Don't give up.
You see that flyer?
There's nothing you can do to break me. No, I won't give up.
Hey, that was a heck of a shot.
It really was. Thank you for that instruction.
Thank you for watching Work Hard, Play Hard Plumber. We're gonna have awesome content all the days. Look at that beautiful man. That's my brother. The coolest guy I know. Fuck you and your mom. And if I haven't fucked her yet, he's going to.
Work hard, play harder. See, I'm the type to take a shot after I hit the gym. Your boy be partying too much, I gotta get it in.